So for today's video, I'm doing a home office tour. So I tried to make the office like really girly and like cute and like pink. So on to the office tour. Okay, so here's the first wall you see. The big Vogue poster I got from Redbubble, and then the skyline poster, it's like a Chicago maybe skyline, might be a different city, I forget. That skyline poster I got from Redbubble, and then the little pink canvas that has lips on it I bought from a girl that like paints things and like sells them. The big like poster-ish thing that has like pink flowers and like green leaves, that was a photo I took. All the other things are things that I picked out and I got printed at a Walgreens. Most of them are just random photos from Pinterest, and then I also have a bunch of movie posters and a couple album covers. So the couch, I'm not really sure where the couch is from, but it has a bunch of pillows on it. Most of the pillows are from Five Below. One of them is from Belle's Outlet, the striped one. The polka dot ones are from Amazon. Yeah, the rest are from Five Below. The little zebra blanket, I'm not sure where I got it from. I feel like I got it from like Walgreens or CVS or something like that. So for the coffee table, I actually made the coffee table. I have a video of me making it. It's called like Collage Table DIY 2020 or something like that. I got the actual table from a thrift store, and then I spray painted it white, and then I took a bunch of magazine cutouts and I glued it on. for the little flowers on the table, I'm not really sure where the vase is from. It is just a clear vase, and then the flowers I got from Dollar Tree. So for these little wall arts, the two big ones I got from Runway. It's basically a Shein-ish website. I think it's actually owned by Shein. And then the three little canvases, those are from the Dollar Tree. So here is my desk. So above my desk is a frame that my mom already had here and I just didn't take down. And then there is my framed bachelor's degree. Then on my desk I have an iMac, a laptop, an award I got in college, a fake plant, a pink globe, some stickers from Courtney Graben shop.com, also available on Etsy. So then for the desk, I got it from a thrift store, and then I got hot pink spray paint from Walmart and I spray painted it. Then we have this office chair. I'm not sure where the office chair is from. It was my brother's before mine. Then I have a blanket that I'm also not sure where it's from, but I have a video of me adding the little pom-poms that are on it. And then the throw pillow, I'm pretty sure is from Goodwill. I forgot to mention the rug, but the rug is from Amazon. So then I have this little chair. The chair is from a thrift store. The rainbow pillow is from Five Below, and the pillow behind it was from Target. Then I have this on the wall above the chair. It is a painting I got from Marshall's. Then we have this TV. We've had this for a really long time. Not really sure where it's from. Might be from Walmart, might be from Best Buy. We get a lot of our TVs from Best Buy, so might be from there. I have no idea. Lastly, I have this little Hollywood license plate-ish thing. Hollywood license plate I got from when I went to California. Okay, so that was the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, I have a bunch of other room tours. I actually have a room tour from a year ago of what this room looked like a year ago, which is pretty different. So you could go watch that. Okay, that's all I have to say. Like, comment, subscribe, please. And goodbye.